So in a way, we've added a new layer of complexity that we have to manage. Our CSS no longer exists in a single file. This means we have to find new ways to find where our styles are being defined, rather than just doing a search through this single file. SASS further complicates things because once CSS is rendered and it goes to the browser, SASS adds some further complications because now there's not a one-to-one ratio between where we edit our styles and the styles that our browser is using. So for example, in our browser, we don't have a selector anymore that says explicitly snippet title. Instead, we're using an ampersand and then a dash title. So if you find yourself a little frustrated at first with this structure, part of that might be because you're used to a simpler way of finding things inside of your CSS. And also, you probably haven't worked on projects that are complicated enough to truly benefit from this structure. But I guarantee you that if you get a job as a front-end developer, you will end up working on projects that have file structures very similar to this, if not identical. So just keep in mind that I'm not just being sadistic here. There's a reason why we're adding this layer of complexity now. It will allow us to look at the tools for working with this new structure throughout the rest of the series so you can get comfortable with it. And hopefully by the end, it won't seem like a big deal at all.